Immediate right, and then it's on your left.
Here we are at Hotel Paradiso. Hi everybody, say hi to Facebook. Say hi to Facebook very quickly. Hi everybody.
Ciao, Facebook. Ciao.
Here we are we're out in the sacred woods. We're up here on Monteluco. Going over to this colorful table of people. Everybody say hello. Say buona domenica. Buona domenica.
We're still hungry.
Yay. Hamburger. I'm gonna go back to that crazy man.
Yeah.
I'm really crazy for
You want what? I'm gonna leave that table.
I want a steak.
John Hazen. Look, he's on time. It's so exciting. John Petrotelli, I know. Look at this table. Did you have a good meal here at Monteluco?
Yes.
Yay!
Good company.
Hey, Bill Show. I don't mean to interrupt you, Bill, but you're on Facebook. Woohoo! Did you have a good meal here at Monteluco?
Excellent.
Good meal? Yay!
Wonderful.
Look at that tiramisu. Uh-oh. There are no calories here in the tiramisu at Monteluco. We have a special kind. Here's our last table. This is going to be a long video. Look at these beautiful sodas.
Check John's
Look at that one. He's the Italian at the table. Okay, signing off.